it's not looking good for Bill Gates. Just the other day, we talked about how his foundation was given immunity and privileges in Kenya that raised a lot of eyebrows and a lot of concerns. But now the High Court of Kenya has suspended its privileges and immunities under the Privileges and Immunities Act, which has been granted by the government. Justice Bahati Moamwe of the Milimani High Court ruled that the privileges conferred through legal notice number 157 dated October 4th, 2024 would remain suspended pending the hearing and determination of the case filed by the Law Society of Kenya. According to the Standard, the legal notice signed by Foreign and Diaspora Affairs Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi on September 19, 2024 granted the foundation exemptions typically reserved for diplomatic missions and international organizations. Additionally, the Standard reported Justice Muamwie prohibited the foundation, its directors, officers, staff, and agents from continuing to enjoy any privilege and immunities under the Privilege and Immunities Act. Also, the Law Society of Kenya's CEO, Florence Muturi, accused the foundation of using its privileges to avoid scrutiny of its activities, especially its financial dealings and influence on public policy. Well, I'm pretty sure a lot of people are going to be celebrating this move by the High Court because some people were skeptical, like they didn't understand why Bill Gates Foundation gets this immunity and privilege that others can get. What are they trying to hide? What are they going to do in Kenya that needs immunity, or why are they being prioritized to be given these privileges?
Kenya has granted the Gates Foundation a privileged special status that includes special privileges and immunity for its expatriate officials. This raises a very uncomfortable question. Why? What could be the foundation be planning that requires such immunity? The past of this philanthropic powerhouse is far from rosy, and it's time to confront the harsh reality behind the shiny facade of its supposed altruism. The Gates Foundation has been pushing hazardous agricultural technologies across Africa under the guise of feeding the continent. Yet, behind this benevolent-sounding mission is a deeply concerning agenda. The foundation has invested more than $6 billion into agribusiness giants like Bayer and Syngenta, corporations that are infamous for promoting GMOs, toxic pesticides, and other industrial agrotechnologies that are poisoning African lives, bodies, and lands.
Hello guys. There's an article I was reading and I was so shocked, guys. Now Bill Gates wants to buy immunity, guys. What is this we are doing to our country? How can you buy immunity? Alafu tunambembeleza bembeleza, but that is so wrong. I was reading an article that the staff who will be there will be exempted from legal action and from paying direct taxes from their salaries. Who does that? We are equal, and so long as someone is in our country, you should protect our constitution and do the right thing. There's no person who is superior. Now Bill Gates wants to come here and he starts controlling us.
So there were a lot more people that were skeptical of this move. But anyways, fam, let us know down below what your thoughts are about the court's decision. I am Wongel Zelalem. I'll see you on the next one.